digger was created by a man, right? Men created the word gold diggers because they felt like women were either, i.e., using them, or i.e., asking for money, or i.e., acting as though they're into them to get the money and then walk away. So the conversation that I had with him was that he thinks that it exists. Gold diggers only exist through men. Here's why. If you give a woman your money, you know the personality of someone. If you don't, then you need to start paying attention. I talk about that all the time. You all need to start paying attention to how people are. If this person is only seeking you for the money, you know. If you're an educated individual, right? If you out here making shit happen, got money going on, know what to do, how do you not know that she only wants you for your money? And if you giving it to her, right, it's your choice. Isn't it making you happy? So why does it matter if that woman is asking you? You have the right to refuse. So my thing is, gold diggers only exist if you create it. What women do, women seek security. Women seek men that they hope will help them within their career, within their home life, and maybe just give them extra money. Yes, women do that all day long. They're going to go out and they're going to seek someone that they believe can offer them security. Okay? So the thing about this, guys, and the women, because there are some women that do for individuals, if you give somebody something and you want them to have it, you give it because you want them to have it. You give it because you don't care. It doesn't exist until you know you're aware of being used. But if it makes you happy, it's no such thing as gold digging. You know the difference. You see? So, but if it makes you happy, be happy. If that person is making you happy and by your providing her needs makes her feel good and she's doing what she can to give you things that make you feel good, it's a win-win, right? But again, men, women, you have the choice.